We've all been there, and you probably know it well. It's that moment when you look at your bank account and feel a bit scared. Maybe you see the numbers on the ATM screen or check your online banking app and feel shocked. You have bills to pay, and suddenly, other things need money too. Maybe your car breaks down, your clothes start to get holes, or your friend's birthday is sooner than you thought. No matter how many times you look, the number in your account stays the same. So, what should you do now? If this sounds like your situation, we might have a solution for you. In this video, I will share some business ideas and ways you can make money. Number 1. Become an unusual moneymaker. These are some of the strangest ways to make money without needing any money to start. So get ready. It's important to know that these ways won't give you a regular income, but they can be fun ways to earn a little extra cash. The first way is getting paid to test things. This means giving your opinion on products, which is easy and fun. For example, you can get paid to taste food, even chocolate. For just one tasting session, you can earn up to $55. Being part of focus groups can pay up to $250, so it's worth checking out. Another way to make money is by being part of experiments. If you're brave and understand the risks, you can earn up to $4,000 by participating in clinical research. There's some risk because you will be among the first people to try the drug. If you want something safer, you can get paid to participate in psychology experiments. You can earn up to $10 per hour for these. We told you these ways would be strange. You can also make money by donating parts of your body. For example, some women make a lot of money by selling their breast milk. While you can't officially earn from donating sperm or eggs, there is still money to be made. A more popular option is selling your hair, with some companies paying up to $200 for it. Number 2. Start babysitting or dog walking. People always need someone to take care of their kids. If you want to start babysitting, tell your friends and family about it and ask them to spread the word to their friends and family too. You can also check out care.com to create a profile and connect with parents who need a babysitter. Offer to babysit at times when most day cares are closed, like early mornings, during events, or on weekends. This way, more parents might hire you because they need help during these hours. Taking care of dogs can be tough for dog owners, especially after a long day at work. Many people are willing to pay good money to make sure their dogs are well taken care of and happy. Have you seen how much pet toys cost? It's a lot. Starting a dog walking service is simple. You can put up flyers, knock on doors, make phone calls, and even set up social media accounts to let people in your neighborhood know about your services. For example, you could charge $200 a week to walk someone's dog for half an hour every weekday. If you get 5-6 clients, you could make a lot of money, possibly $60,000 to $80,000 a year. Plus, if you do a great job, you'll keep getting business from the same customers and won't need to find new clients all the time. Number 3. Donate your blood or plasma. You can make extra money by giving blood or plasma if you are 18 or older, in very good health, and okay with needles. Some places might give you $20 to $25 the first time you go, and up to $30 to $45 if you come back again. I haven't given blood for money before, but I know many people who have. Some of them did it a few times in college to get extra cash. You can only donate plasma twice a week because of health rules. Even so, if you do it regularly, you can make around $200 to $400 every month. After you donate, most centers will either give you cash or a prepaid card that they will put your money on. Number 4. Start selling your unused stuff. When you don't have any money, you need to act fast to make some. You also can't spend much money to start making more. One of the best ways to get extra money when you are broke is to sell things from your home. You probably have things like clothes, electronics, decorations, furniture, kitchen gadgets, tools, and other items that you don't use anymore. You can sell these items online without leaving your house or spending any extra money. Here are some ideas for where you can sell your items. You can sell things on Amazon or eBay. You can sell things locally on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. If you have old electronics, like an old phone, game console, or tablet, you can sell them to websites like Declutter. This way, you can make some money quickly and easily. Number 5. Become a tutor. Do you do really well in school? I don't, but maybe you do. If you do, you can use your knowledge to make some money. Tutoring is a great way to earn money, and all you need to invest is your time. Another good thing about tutoring is that if you help your first few students really well, people will hear about you, and you'll get more students through referrals. If you can, try to tutor in small groups. Teaching 3-5 students at a time is the best way to make money. But when you're just starting, how do you find students to tutor? That's a good question. I've never been a tutor before, so I'm not sure, but I know you need to let people know you're available. Talk to professors and lecturers, spend time at university libraries, put up flyers, and use social media to advertise your services. In other words, get the word out about yourself. If you do a good job, finding new students won't be hard. If you're wondering where I get all my data, let me tell you about our channel's partner, Seeking Alpha. It's my favorite tool for making smart investments. It's easy to use, and I love finding hidden investment ideas, reading earnings call transcripts, and staying updated on breaking news. Their special stock ratings have been a huge help too. Stocks marked as strong buy in their alpha picks have done 80% better than the S&P 500. Check them out in the description. Plus, they've offered our community a 20% discount on premium membership with a 7-day free trial and a 10% discount on alpha picks if you join through the link in the video description. Number 6. Start a YouTube channel. If you can go to a library or sit near a Starbucks, you probably have a smartphone and internet access. Today, a smartphone's camera is almost as good as a DSLR camera. So why not make a video of your day? Or show your surroundings, or talk about something you are good at or interested in. At first, it might seem like no one cares about what you have to say, but remember, someone out there does. You can make money on YouTube in many ways. One popular way is affiliate marketing. This means you review products or talk about things that are sold online. When people buy those things through your links, you earn money. It's that simple. Another way to earn money is by becoming an influencer. As your channel gets more popular, you can work with other YouTubers or companies that want to sell things related to your channel. They will pay you to promote their products or stores. The possibilities are endless. Then there's ad revenue. This means getting paid for the ads that play before, during, or after your videos. This type of income can be really great once your channel grows. It's a nice paycheck for just making videos and letting ads run on them. Number 7. Advertise on your car. If you don't have any money, you might not be able to buy a car. But if you don't need one, you can skip this idea. Some companies will pay drivers to put their ads on their cars. They do this to promote their brand. There are 2 ways you can do this. First, you can ask local businesses if they want to use your car as a moving ad. You would be the one to talk to the businesses yourself. Second, you can join a service that does all the work for you. This service will find businesses that want to advertise on your car and set everything up. The service will take a small part of the money you earn, but you don't have to pay anything up front. They only make money when you do, so there's no risk for you. What's great about this is that once everything is set up, you just go about your normal day, and you get paid for having ads on your car. It's a way to make money without doing extra work. This is a good example of passive income. Number 8. Start freelancing. Creating your own special services, building a portfolio, and doing a lot of marketing can be really tiring. Sometimes, you just need to be brave and straightforward. Don't waste your talent as a writer and editor. During this time, quickly email, message, and connect with your contacts to get work. Think about doing copywriting and magazine editing for your family and relatives. Offer your services at a lower price than usual, with the idea that it will help you in the future. This way, you can have more clients while still earning enough to cover your expenses. These people might become your main customers. You might be surprised at how helpful this can be in a tough situation. Don't waste time waiting for referrals or help from marketing. When you're broke, you can't afford to wait for opportunities to come to you. You need to pay your bills. So, take a risk. Number 9. Provide lawn moving services. You might be thinking, oh, come on, give me a break. But please listen for a moment. Most people who own a house have a lawn, but most of them don't want to mow it. That's a big group of people, and you only need a tiny bit of that group to make money. In fact, you just need one customer. Here's what you can do. Pick a few neighborhoods and spend a weekend going door to door asking people if they want you to mow their lawns. You will hear no a lot, but you will also hear yes, and that's all you need. If you knock on 300 doors and get 8 people to say yes, and they pay you $100 every 2 weeks to mow their lawns, You can make over $1,500 a month just working on weekends. When you go door to door, dress nicely. Wear a collared shirt and try to look respectable. Also, most houses already have lawnmowers, so you won't need to buy one. This means there's no upfront cost for you. Number 10. Offer help to someone. Can you do something that saves people time and energy? If yes, you will probably get paid for it. Think about what you are good at and what you know how to do. Maybe you can help someone move or fix a leaky faucet during the weekend. Maybe you can look after a child after school or help an older neighbor with their yard work. If you are really good at a school subject, you could tutor kids in your neighborhood. There are apps like TaskRabbit, where you can find people in your area who need help with small jobs. Just focus on helping others, and sooner or later, you will find someone who is willing to pay you for your help. If you enjoy this video, then I think you will enjoy this one as well. Thanks for watching.